So I don't know. Do you want me to push it?
Oh yeah, right there.
Push it?
Yeah. Oh yeah, right there. Yes! Yes! Yes!
Okay, super exciting day today. We are here in the Performance Model 3 with the race seats, the race interior, some fun mods coming soon, so stay tuned. But, you know, it's been like a couple months since we've ordered another Tesla.
Yeah, like 3 months, I think. Something.
So, is it time to order another Tesla?
Might as well.
Screw it.
We got room.
YOLO, we got room. So, that's exactly what we're going to do today. We are going to order another Tesla. You saw by the title. We're going to order a Y. We were kind of going back and forth on whether or not we should order one. But we figured, why not? Because this car, with what we're doing to it, it's not necessarily a great daily driver with the seats. So I definitely think having a Y will help. And then it gives us some more freedom to have fun with this car.
And the nice thing too is that it's refundable. If
true.
If we do change our minds or something else comes along,
Yep.
we can always cancel it. But we will go ahead and put in the order for it today.
Yep. So we're gonna walk you through that, but we're not gonna just order any Model Y. We're gonna order a Model Y in a Model 3.
Wow.
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 I don't think we've ordered a Tesla on a Tesla before.
I can't remember. There's been so many. I don't know.
Weird flex, but okay, bud. So we're gonna go in here and order our Model Y.
I know you ordered one in Singapore.
I did order one in Singapore.
Yeah.
I don't know.
I know you've ordered other ones in like gone in 60 seconds or something like that, but I don't think...
Yeah, I ordered
one or two. I think a couple
yeah,
of them in like, yeah, maybe one was 2 minutes, the other one was 1 minute. But we ordered the first 2 S's in the store. 3 you did online. The other 3 we did online.
So we're just gonna go in here. We're gonna design it. We'll kind of walk you through it. What our preference will be with all this. No, I'm just gonna go purchase price on this because I don't like to see the potential savings, because the gas savings, I don't like that.
So it doesn't look like with the Model Y they haven't really updated the specs, I don't think, since they first came out with it.
Yeah, I don't think so. Standard range is production 2021, but we're not gonna do a standard range. We're not gonna do a rear-wheel drive either, since we are in Colorado. We get a lot of snow in the winter, and dual motor is definitely what we want. Long range or performance, it's a $9,000 delta. But if you're already spending $52,000, you might as well spend $61,000. This will give us quicker acceleration, higher top speed, the beautiful 20-inch rims, the performance brakes, the spoiler, lowered suspension, which I'm all about, the aluminum alloy pedals, and track mode, which is by far the best thing ever.
Now, hopefully these wheels, I will bet, match the 3. They better match the 3. So
I bet they do.
We'll be able to swap things around.
I bet, yep. So we will hit next on here. And then, what color should we go with?
I would guess white.
Okay, so we're going to go with white.
Even though, isn't that the standard? Oh, no, they haven't changed it yet.
Yeah, so that's the interesting thing is S, X, and Model 3, the pearl white is now standard, no charge option. But on here, it is still $2,000.
Yeah, it's interesting.
So, I don't know. Maybe they just haven't updated this yet. It'll probably update before we, like, actually finalize and everything, but...
Yeah, I'm sure before, once it gets close, when they actually start production, maybe they will do a price adjustment. Because with them lowering the prices of the S and the X, and they keep lowering the price on the 3 and changing things around, maybe we'll see some changes on the Y here, too, before it actually comes out.
So we'll hit next here, only one wheel option. Now, what about the interior?
Yeah, I mean, I didn't get to go to the Model Y unveiling because I was stuck here and we had a power outage for 2 days.
Yeah, hold on. Who's barking?
So I didn't get to go to the Model Y event, so I haven't gotten to go on the test ride in one yet. You and Scott got to go in one, so you guys would know better what would work, 5-seat or 7-seat.
Well, first off, the color.
Oh, well, definitely white.
Yeah. All our cars are actually white exterior, white interior, so it makes sense. Now, in regards to the seat interior layout, I don't like having a 7-seater with a full middle row, because that makes it very hard to utilize those back seats. So we're going to go with the 5, and it saves us $3,000.
Unless they're just little kids. And, you know, the Model X is nice. We have the 6-seater, which is nice because it gives a little bit more leg room to those people in that rear row.
Yep.
But with the Model Y, they're not going to have that option.
It looked very, very tight back there. So I don't think 7-seater for us is a good idea.
Though you never know. What if Tesla does come out with a 6-seater?
Then maybe we'll do that.
I'm not expecting them to be monopod seats.
Yeah.
But they could easily put captain chairs or something. The original 6-seater wasn't ever on the books or on the plans for the Model X, and then they came out with it like that.
Yeah.
And so they could easily add a 6-seater
And so maybe if they update that, maybe we'll swing for the 6.
Then we might consider
But
it.
for now,
Just the 5.
just the 5-seater. Autopilot. So they haven't updated this either because SX and 3 Autopilot is auto included. Haha, see what I did there? Auto included Autopilot. Anyway, and then full self-driving is an add-on. But of course, we are going to get both of these, especially by the time Model Y comes out. I expect a lot of FSD features.
Oh yeah, this would be coming out hopefully later this year. And so if the Y is coming out in 2020, it might start from day 1 to have full self-driving features.
Yeah. So we'll go next. Oh, that's funny. It actually says, contact me about solar. We already have solar. Fun fact, a massive system, maybe getting more. I don't know, future video. So we're going to uncheck that for now. So then it says, enter in your first name, last name, email, phone number. Now I'm already signed in.
Yeah, it's too bad it doesn't keep track of that.
Too bad it, yeah, because it should have like all my credit card and everything. But I guess I'm going to enter that real quick, but you're going to just be blurred.
Close your eyes.
Yeah, close your eyes, don't peek.
I'll just do this. It's grayed out. Is there some checkbox you need to do or something? Maybe you can't buy it from the car.
5 minutes later. Okay, so it finally just came up. I have no idea why it took so long. We actually even looked on our tablet to see if there was a problem with the order page, but now it's not grayed out anymore. Our build right now is 72,000. Yeah.
Before tax credits and
and before the dock and destination fee of $1,200.
Yeah.
So I don't know. Do you want me to push it?
Oh yeah, right there.
Push it?
Yeah. Oh yeah, right there.
It's thinking. It's thinking.
Yes! 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 Yes!
Ha ha ha. Yes.
But also yes, Model
Y,
Model
3, and Model S. Now we'll own all of them. Yes.
Yes.
So yeah, there you have it. That is us ordering our Model Y. Super excited. Hopefully you guys are excited too. Just that much more fun content we can film, and I don't know if we'll really mod the Model Y.
We might wrap. We're definitely gonna get it wrapped.
Definitely get it wrapped, but I don't think like this car is gonna be the heavy modded car.
No, but we're definitely gonna put on some accessories.
Oh, you bet.
From Abstract Ocean, of course.
Of course. So yeah, I can't wait. Hopefully a lot of the accessories are compatible with Y that are with 3, so that would be super convenient. But yeah, we're definitely gonna accessorize it, but like mods as in like lowered suspension, carbon ceramic brakes on a Model Y, probably not gonna happen.
Hopefully the wheels will be the same for the Model 3 because we have all kinds of 20-inch wheels in the garage.
Yeah, that would be really nice if we can like swap them. So hopefully they have the same like lug pattern, because I know S and X are different. Supposedly, I don't know. But yeah, there was some big news that actually hit about the construction of Model Y.
Yeah, I was just reading, they said something today. I think they got a new patent or something about for manufacturing. They're going to be able to make it out of like maybe one piece of metal.
A unibody.
Yeah, the whole body. It's like
instead of, I think I saw, instead of like 72 pieces that are welded together, it'll be one single piece, which means the manufacturing process simplified 1,000,000 times over, because not only do you need a bunch of stamping machines, because one machine does it all, but then you don't need robots to assemble them. You don't need QC on that. The only downside, though, is if that one machine breaks. I mean, obviously, they're going to have a bunch of them.
And how fast can it stamp those out? But we'll see.
Does it stamp them, or does it liquid metal flow in and then harden? Anyway, not entirely sure how it's going to work. Haven't really read the patent that much, but that's super exciting that I don't know if they will start that on Model Y. Hopefully they do. But that'll be actually really cool. Fixing cars like that might be interesting. Might be a little trickier, but to be honest, on a lot of stuff like this that's welded together, they just cut that piece out and re-weld a new piece in. So it should be similar to that, I would think.
Yeah.
There's a spider going across the windshield.
That's what I saw it going back.
Oh my god. There's the spider that was walking across the windshield, in case anybody didn't believe us. But yeah, super excited to add a Model Y. Definitely let us know down below what your Model Y build would be. What color, what seat option, what interior. Are you going to go performance? Or are you going to go long range? Wait for standard range? And we can talk about it all down there. That's basically it for this one. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. As always, huge thanks to our channel sponsor, Abstract Ocean. If you guys are looking to accessorize your Model S, X, or Model 3 like this one, or Model Y coming, or the Tesla truck coming, any of those, definitely check them out. I'll link down below. They have all kinds of cool accessories, especially like this center console wrap, because I really don't like that piano finish. And they have the matte screen protector so you don't get any glare. Definitely helps in the sun. And using code Tesla Inventory will get you 15% off your first order, so definitely check them out. As always though, thumbs up if you enjoyed that video. Go and click here to subscribe, here for some other ones, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Okay, David has a special announcement for you guys.
Oh, we decided to call the hedgehog on the order confirmation screen Harry.
Harry.
His name's Harry.
Harry.